Okay, on number 2, we've got here that working together, it says Billy Bob and Bubba can paint their hunting camp in 2 hours. It says because Billy Bob has a sprayer, he can paint 5 times faster than Bubba. How long would it take Bubba to paint the camp by, and it should say there, by himself? Okay, so let's look at our similar chart here. And so let's compare here. We'll put one as Billy Bob here, and then Bubba, and then how long it takes them together. Okay, so first, again, let's look at their times. How long does it take them to paint here? And so it says working together, they can paint it in 2 hours. So together, their time is 2 hours. So we don't know their individual times, and that's what we're trying to figure out. So we were told, though, that because Billy Bob's got a sprayer, that he can paint 5 times faster than Bubba. Now here again, it's going to be a little backwards here. So since Billy Bob can paint faster, then it's going to take Bubba 5 times as long, because what we're measuring right here is not their rate, but their time. So Bubba is going to take 5 times as long as Billy Bob. That's assuming that we call Billy Bob here the X. Now, let's come up with some ideas here for rates. So they're right here. We're talking about painting one hunting camp. So one hunting camp in X hours, one hunting camp in 5 hours, and then together they can do one hunting camp in 2 hours. And so now we can combine our rates to make us an equation now. So we have 1 over x plus 1 over 5x equals 1 over 2. So now we can multiply through by our common denominator, which would be 10x. Okay, so let's cancel out all our fractions now. So the x cancels there. That's going to give me 10. X cancels here. 5 goes into 10 2 times. And now here 2 goes into 10 5 times. So that would leave me with 5x. So now we'll get 12 equals 5x. So divide both sides by 5. And so that's going to be about 2.4. Now, let's sort of answer the question. Let me go back and see what the question asked here. So it said, how long would it take Bubba to paint the camp by himself? So 2.4 here, 2.4 hours, doesn't represent Bubba, but that represents how long it would take Billy Bob. So Bubba takes 5 times as long. So I would have to say 2.4 times 5 to get Bubba's time there. So let's see, 2.4 times 5, 4 times 5 is 20, carry my 2, so that would be 12.0. So it's going to take Billy Bob, we'll say BB for Billy Bob, it's going to take him 12 hours. Poor Billy Bob, he didn't have a sprayer.